What do YouTube? Memphis, T Memphis coming back at you. Just let you know I got the cam, got the motor toe down. Now I just put the new cam in. They say if it spin freely, you good. So the new cam all oiled up, lubed up, spin freely. And yeah, I think we're good. Show you the pistons. They say, just let you know the difference. If you got 319 heads, you're 300 and something. And if you got the 247s or the 799s, you'll be pushing out 400 and something. So I found the 799 heads and they at the machine shop. So as soon as I get them back from the machine shop, we're gonna slap them babies on. But right now I gotta get number one piston up. I gotta put the bolt back in, get the number one piston back up so I can mark them. And when you mark them, this dot here gotta be here and the other dot gotta be there. So it gotta be dead on and you in timing. So that's what I'm working on now, you guys. Yep, that's what I'm working on now. I don't got no torque wrench, so hey, if the motor go, it goes, but don't have a torque wrench, so you gotta do it the best way you know and what you got to work with. So this is what I got to work with. So then I take this off and hit it with the ratchet just to be safe. You guys. Ratchet. I'm gonna try. Just need the ratchet. OBS coming soon. 6.0 swap. Big cam. LS7 lifters. Just putting a slight turn on it. Just to be safe. And then see if it still turn freely. So. Alright, I gotta find this bolt that I took out the harmonic balancer so I can get the number one piston up. And lay around, you guys. I'll check back in with you.